Welcome. Presenting you the best truck toolboxes with a quick recap and buying guide. This is Rement, your personal attendant from logforshop.com. Before getting your best one, you must know the key quality and features of that one's. Though the best list in the description. Check it now. First of all, it must be blown your mind and also your nearest. Maybe Fortum car trunk organizer truck toolboxes. Or, bag waterproof tough truck toolboxes for you. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell for the upcoming reviews. Jump to the description for your best one.